Good afternoon. We are all familiar with the first bracha of the Birchos HaShachar of Hanosein Lasechvi Vina, that we thank Hashem for giving the Sechvi insight and understanding. And the translation that we are probably most familiar with is that Sechvi in the Gemara mean, as Rashi explains on the Gemara, means the rooster, that when one hears the rooster crow, then one gives Huda, one thanks Hashem for the rooster as a symbolism of this understanding which was granted to the rooster, and that is what is most familiar. However, the Rush and others actually explain, based off of another Gemara in Psukim, that Sechvi does not need to mean rooster, but actually can refer to one's heart. That really the bracha that we are making is Hanosin Lasechvi Vina, is that HaKadosh Baruch Hu gave the heart the understanding of human understanding, of being able to recognize and differentiate between day and night, and that the rooster mentioned in the Gemara at the crow of the rooster is simply a symbolism of the point in time of the difference between day and night. But then the reality is that it is meant as an understanding of, as it is meant to be referring to the heart that Hashem, we thank Hashem for giving the heart of the human the ability to understand. And Rabbi Sachs, Zecher Tzadik Livracha, of whom we are learning from this week, explains that that first blessing, the first of the Birchos HaShachar, Hanosin Lasechvi Vina, whether it means the rooster, whether it means the heart of a human being, is either way is referring essentially to the gift of da'as, to the gift of knowledge of human understanding, as symbolized by the difference and the understanding of the difference between day and night, which was the very first act of creation, of creating light, creating day and night. And that is also the first bracha that we recite of bakashos, of requests in the Shemona Esrei. After the first three brachos in Shemona Esrei of praise, of thanking Hashem, then we go into the first bracha of request, which is chonin hada'as, which is asking Hashem to grant us human intelligence, to grant us wisdom, to be able to carry through our day. And so it is the first of all of the brachos of the Birchos HaShachar, is thanking Hashem for da'as, thanking Hashem for this understanding, as symbolized by the difference between day and night, which was the first act of creation, which also is the first thing of everything that we request from HaKadosh Baruch Hu in our tefillah of Shemona Esrei. The role of das, the role of knowledge, of human understanding, that we have the ability to go through our day not as animalistic creatures, not just following our instincts and impulses, but rather being able to determine and decipher with bechira chafshis, with the free will, what we are going to do to make that day a godly day. And so we open that with the Birchos HaShachar, the very first praise of the list of brachos that we recite. We open that as the first bakasha of Shemona Esrei, as all was symbolized by understanding the difference by the very first act of creation, of the separation between day and night. Have a great day.